Ali Abbas Zafar's web series Standoff starring Saif Ali Khan, Dimple Kapadia and others has been at the receiving end of severe backlash on social media since the last few days. The show has irked a section of the audience, following which several BJP leaders have called for a complete ban on the show. The makers and actors of Standoff have been accused of hurting religious sentiments with one of the scenes, while in the other, the show has been labelled as anti-Dalit. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has now issued an apology on behalf of the cast and crew of his web series Standoff after police complaints were filed against several people involving the show. He took to his social media handle and shared a statement that read, "We have been closely monitoring viewer reactions to the web series Standoff, and today, during a discussion, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting have informed us regarding a large number of grievances and petitions received on various facets of the web series with serious concerns and apprehensions regarding its content hurting the sentiments of the people." He further mentioned, "The cast and crew did not have any intention to offend the sentiments of any individual, caste, community, race, religion, or religious beliefs, or insult or outrage any institution, political party, or person, living or dead. The cast and crew of Standoff take cognizance of the concerns expressed by the people and unconditionally apologize if it has unintentionally hurt anybody's sentiments." Amid the outrage, Kangana Ranaut also slammed the web series and said that the makers must be jailed for torturing viewers. In a tweet she wrote, "The problem isn't just the Hindu-phobic content, it's also creatively poor and deprived, atrocious and objectionable on every level, hence deliberately place controversial scenes. Put them in jail not just for criminal intentions but also for torturing the viewer." After Ali issued an apology, Kangana took to Twitter and reacted to the same in yet another tweet. She wrote, "माफी मांगने के लिए बचेगा कहाँ? ये तो सीधा गला काट देते हैं। जिहादी देश फतवा निकाल देते हैं। लिबरल मीडिया वर्चुअल लिंचिंग कर देती है। तुम्हें न सिर्फ जान से मार दिया जाएगा बल्कि उस मौत को भी जस्टिफाई किया जाएगा। बोलो अली अब्बास जफर, है हिम्मत अल्लाह का मजाक उड़ाने की?" Meanwhile, an FIR has also been filed against the makers of Standoff and the India head of the OTT streaming platform at Hasratganj Police Station, Lucknow. The makers are also being questioned for the portrayal of the Indian Prime Minister in an indecent way. Over the weekend, pictures of policemen outside Saif Ali Khan's residence in Bandra had also gone viral. Talking about Saif Ali Khan, this is the second controversy that the actor has been mired into in the last few months. A few months back, Saif also received backlash for his comment about humanizing Ravan in his upcoming film Adipurush. The actor had later issued an apology for the same.